हेलो दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए, ताकि हम जल्दी से जल्दी 2 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स तक पहुंच जाए।
Please not forget to subscribe to our channel Technical Chandio. Also click on the button of the bell icon so that I can upload any of the videos to you. Hi friends, my name is Mohsin Ali Chandio. Today I will tell you how you can call freely in the whole world. You can talk in every country in this application. First open your app store. Be careful. Free phone calls. Download the second number. This application is very good for calling free calls if you do not understand anything. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Technical Chandio. Sign up, click. Give your mobile number inside it. This is their futures. In the strip you will get 10 credits free. The country you talk about is also up to 10 minutes. Wow, 10 minutes free call. After finishing the credit, watching the video in this application, get a credit. With this you will get 10 credits free of charge every day. Or call the number you received. Enter your friend Namber.